Hello, boys and girls. This is the video lesson for Math Lesson 18 for Monday, September 21st. And let's start off by counting by threes. All right, so we're going to go by threes, and we're going to start at 3. Everybody follow along. Ready? Go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and backwards, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Awesome sauce. Okay, let's count by sixes. So sixes is the same as counting by threes, except for we just think every other one. So I'm going to think 3. I'm going to say 6. I'm going to think 9. I'm going to say 12. Ready to try? All right, let's think 3 and go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. All right, I think you can do it backwards, it'll be a little harder. Ready? Let's start at 30. 30. Now I'm going to subtract 3. That would give me 27, but I'm just going to think 27, and then I'm going to say 24. 18. Thinking 15. 12. 6. All right, great job. Let's try 4s. Ready? Just like counting by 2s, only you're going to do the same thing. We're going to think every other number. So we're going to think 2. Ready? 4. 8. 12. 16. 20. 24. 28. 32. 36. 40. 36. 32. 28. 24. 20. 16. 12. 8. 4. All right, very nice job. Very nice. All right, we're going to look at some number bonds today. So first I'm going to draw an array that shows 7 times 3. 7 times 3. So I'm going to make 7 rows. 7 rows of 3. Remember, this array is going to show 7 times 3. Okay, so go ahead and draw this array on your whiteboard. If you need a little more time to draw your array, then just go ahead and pause the video and come back when you are ready to move on. So here is my array, 7 times 3. Okay, I can make a number bond that shows 7 times 3. I'm going to put 7 times 3 right here. What is 7 times 3? Let's count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, so I could have put 21 in here, but I didn't because I'm going to do what we did before, and I'm going to say, I think the 7s are kind of hard for me, but I think that I can divide this into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. 5 are easy, and 2 times 3, because my 2's are easy. So here I can put 5 times 3, and here I can put 2 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 is 6. If I add those together, I do in fact get 21. Okay, so here I have 7 threes, and here I need 7 threes. Did I have 7 threes? 5 threes here, 2 threes here, 5 and 2 is 7. So I'm just dividing my array to make smaller, easier numbers for me to work with. Okay, so let's take a look at this as an equation. So I started with 7 times 3 equals something. And I said I can divide my 7 into 5 and 2. Both of them are being multiplied by 3. So now I have 5 times 3 and 2 times 3. I need to add these together because my 5 and 2 equals my 7. Now I can just do my math. 15 plus 6 equals 21. So every time I'm just bringing down my answer to the thing above it. Okay? So you are actually doing some algebra here. Isn't that impressive? Let's try it again. Let's try 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals something. Okay, I think my 9s are hard. What could I divide my 9 into that will make it easier? Let's see, I could divide it into 2 and 7, but 7s are still pretty hard for me. I could divide it into 3 and 6, but then I have to do 6s, and those are pretty hard. I really like 5s, so let's start with 5. So I'm going to take part of my 9 and I'm going to make it a 5. So how much of my 9 do I have left after I take 5 away? I have 4. So you see my 5 and my 4 equal 9. That's where those numbers came from. This 4 is put here and here. So now let's do our math. 5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. Plus 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. And I add those together and I get 36. So 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, let's take a look at another number bond. So now I'm going to look at 10 times 3. 10 times 3. Okay. Even though my 10s are pretty easy, I'm going to divide this one up into 2 parts. 5s would be easy. But let's make it a little more challenging. Let's put 6 over here. But now what do I need over here to make this 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 4 times 3. Okay. 18 plus 12 is 30. Okay. Another way to say this very same thing is, instead of 10 times 3, I can say that I have 3 tens, right? 10, 20, 30, 3 tens. How many tens do I have here? I mean, all right, I did it backwards. Not 3 tens, 10 threes. Okay, so then I have some 3s here and some 3s here. Because it's a number bond, these need to add up to 10. So if I take this 6 and I have 6 3s and I have 4 3s, does that give me 10 3s? So these two mean exactly the same thing. Because 10 times 3 is 10 3s. 6 times 3 is 6 3s. 4 times 3 is 4 3s. Okay, let's put it in our equation. So I'm going to take my 6 3s and I'm going to add them to my 4 3s. So now I'm going to put my parentheses here, and I want to put my 6 3s here. How can I do that in numbers? Here I had it in words. What did I have over here? I had it in numbers. 6 times 3. My 4 3s is 4 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 12 is 30. 10 3s is 30, is the same as 10 times 3 equals 30. Okay, so all we're doing is making it a little easier on ourselves by dividing our numbers up and making them smaller. Okay. So we are going to do your problem set for today. Take a look at a little bit of that. So you'll be filling in some number bonds. 8 times 10. My top bubble says 8 tens. That's what they've given me. And one of my legs says 5 tens. If I have 5 tens and I need 8 tens, how many more tens do I need? Let's see. If I start at 5, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. That's what I'm looking for. So I need 3 tens. Okay. Then here on the bottom, they've given you 5 tens plus, and you just told me it was 3 tens. Now they've changed 5 tens into a multiplication problem, 5 times 10 under that. And then under the next one, how many tens did we have? 3, so 3 times 10. Now they brought down their answer. 5 times 10 is 50. We need to write down the answer to 3 times 10, which is 30. And 50 plus 30 is 80. So 8 times 10 is 80. All right, that was number 1. So you go ahead and finish up on your own. If you have any questions, problems, just need a tiny bit of help, come and see me during office hours and we can work on it together. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you later. Bye-bye.